Ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Remove their sip. Okay. Hello guys! Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. It's me again, Charmel. So ngayon po, dumating na po ang aking box. Bali, 5 months? November, December, January, February, March.
6 months.
April, 5 months bago po dumating dito ang aking box. And say hello, baby. Hello. And this is our baby dog. He is being good boy today. And so that's it. We were gonna be open up our box and let's see what happened inside because look, my box is murdered. Kumbaga, matanda na kulubot.
Ready?
Okay, open it, sweetie. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Where's the dog?
Yours right here. He's right there, so behind you.
So, it's trying to open the box. Is it hard?
A little bit. Taped up quite a bit.
Yeah, I put so many scotch tape here.
Yeah.
And of course, I'm playing video in my mode app. So, oh, I think here's mounted. Oh, okay. Bali, ito po yung mga binili kong mga t-shirt for his niece and for mom and your brother.
This.
Ay, niece, nephews, what I mean. That's mine, so far. Of course, my clothes in here too. So yeah, this is my pasalubong for my Hubby's family. I bought it in Hong Kong. And this is my, of course, hindi mawawala ang aking damit. This is mine. I think this is free. They give it to me. I remember. That's my sweetheart. This is a big t-shirt that this is a big t-shirt that I only wear shorts on, what I mean. That's my clothes, sweetie. Maybe Angel will be wear that or she. This is mine. This is my clothes. Even before my old clothes. That is curtain. And this is the one that I ordered in Shein that I thought it's a big cactus, but they are so very small.
Where does this go?
It's a curtain, sweetheart. You put it here.
Oh, the dog's gonna have a day with that.
Maliit siyang kwan. Maliit na cactus. I thought it's a big cactus before, so that's why I ordered it. But when it's arrived, so very smooth. They are so smooth.
Why you got bungee cords?
I will tie you there.
You'll tie me.
I will tie you if you will go into it.
Don't tip me with a good time, sweetie. You're gonna tie me if we make love. You're gonna tie me or am I gonna tie you?
I'm gonna be tie you.
Why you got a bungee cord?
No, I used that before when I put in my trolley like that.
Oh,
When I put my stuff in the post office. So of course I need to implement it. That is
curtain.
curtain. And this is a curtain so for decoration.
Oh, very nice.
It's a curtain. Is it nice? I don't remember what I'm going to put here. And this is a curtain. It's always,
This is your clothes?
yeah, all of them is my clothes. This is my clothes too.
Yeah.
This is, hold sweetie. Like that. It's a display.
Oh.
So, binili ko rin ito sa Hong Kong. It's a display.
I'll show your underwear on there. Fast.
Oh, thank God. Dumating na ang aking bra. Thank God my bra is already here. You know what? I'm only using two bra. I just wash and wear like that. So, but I'm glad that it's have already. This is for the fruits that I told you.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna be put here the fruits that we will go to buy. So, yan. Galing lang sa Hong Kong.
We got more curtains.
Yeah, I bought a lot of curtains. All the windows have a curtain. Remember, I told you before.
Is that a curtain?
No, that is for here. I bought that. I thought that is big. But when it's arrived, it's so very small. Okay, don't remove that, sweetie.
It's a wig.
It's
You
my
got-
dress.
You got it for my bald spot, didn't you?
My underwear's here already.
Show your underwear to everyone, honey.
Huh?
Don't show your underwear to everyone.
What?
Why? Show your. You like showing your underwear to everyone?
No. Sorry, my husband is strict.
What?
My husband is strict.
I mean, you want to show your underwear to everyone?
No, sweetie.
Don't show it on camera.
Lahat na to, mga damit ko to. Sweetie, the other is in the other box. So, this is a curtain again.
You mean the other box that's in the ocean?
And this is a curtain. I think I made a vlog before for all these curtains. So, sweetie, that's my bra.
Oh, you showed the other one, but you don't want to show that one.
That's my bra. I will use this if you know it.
We're gonna make love when you tie me up.
Yeah. It's my dress again. She needs baby stuff.
They might be getting a little bit too big to be using your dresses, sweet. She's getting a lot taller than you.
Yeah, but the dress is long so far. Sweetie, put it back in the plastic.
Throw it at me, huh?
So here and here. The other is, yeah, the other is in the box.
Just clothes in this one?
Yeah.
Clothes and curtains.
Rose and curtains.
And a shower curtain?
No,
Just a curtain?
I think is which one you want to put here. I think this one we were gonna be put here. I don't know because this is not thin. It's a little bit big. We're gonna be put this in the window, and then this one And then this one, I think we will put the because they are not thin, they are tiny. And of course, this is in our room. All of this is curtains, so I can hang them na I can remove all the curtains in the room and here, and we will change. This is all curtains.
Oh, curtains.
The other decorations is not yet arrived, so we will gonna be open again once they are arrived tomorrow, if ever tomorrow they are here na. So we will put here in the walls, right?
Yeah, wherever you want to put them.
Yeah, here in the wall. Okay.
You gonna put them up?
Today?
No, are you gonna put them up when they get here?
Yeah. You.
Me?
You're the one to put it, not me.
Why
It's
me?
small.
Oh, now you like to use that small excuse.
Yeah.
Alright, well that's it.
I like this curtain.
Those are like shower curtains, sweetie.
No, it's not shower curtain.
Because it's got the...
Stir. Because you need to...
I guess. Alright, well that's it. Goodbye.
It's only 11. I don't have any.
Only 11?
11 minutes. We need to do 13 minutes or...
13?
Yeah.
That's a lot of minutes, so you ain't got nothing else in the box.
So this is all curtains too. So, lahat sila pare-pareho pairs.
That's going down too.
Spare curtain. And of course, the other is my clothes. So I'm not going to show it na because my husband he don't want me to show my.
Well, you're just sitting there flaunting your underwear to the world.
I think this is yours. I bought that for you.
You not? Do you like? You just gonna get up and strip your clothes off and show it to the people?
And I bought this for him too. I think that is okay to use. I'm not sure.
Yeah. Yeah.
I tried all my best to buy you a clothes, but
Yeah.
yeah. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Pasensya na. Bye. See you on my next video for my other box. Bye.
Oh, you're just gonna get up and strip your clothes off and show